Our technician is on the way, and we are thrilled to alleviate your electrical needs and to build a relationship with you. We want to offer you the best possible service, and our number one priority is to ensure that your electrical system is safe and up to code for you and your family. The best way that we do this is by offering you a free safety inspection of your entire electrical system upon arrival. When our technician arrives, he will listen and take a look at the original problem. We will then start a process of inspecting your entire electrical system. This will also include ensuring things like your smoke detectors and GFCI outlets are present and up to code to ensure safety. And at the end of this process, our technician will present to you with his report and what is necessary to resolve the original problem. And then you will make the final decision as to what happens next. And of course, if you have any questions throughout this process, our technician is there to serve you and answer anything that you may have. We're so excited to meet you. We'll be there in a few minutes.